What if I told you there are plants so easy to grow, even total beginners can keep them alive for years? No complicated care routines, no daily watering, and no gardening experience needed. These low-maintenance plants can survive missed watering, low light, and busy schedules while still making your home look fresh and beautiful. Whether you live in a tiny apartment, work long hours, or simply forget to water plants, this list is perfect for you. And trust me, some of these plants are nearly impossible to kill. Stay until the end, because the last plant on this list might be the easiest indoor plant in the world. Ready to turn your home into a relaxing green paradise without the stress? Let's dive into the 10 best low-maintenance plants every beginner should own. Number 1. Snake plant. Snake plant is one of the best plants for beginners because it thrives on neglect. This plant has tall, upright leaves with beautiful green patterns that instantly make any room feel modern and stylish. The best part is that it can survive in low light, bright indirect light, and even with very little watering. In fact, overwatering is usually the only thing that harms a snake plant. Water it only when the soil is completely dry, which may be every 2 to 3 weeks depending on your home environment. Snake plants are also known for helping improve indoor air quality, making them perfect for bedrooms and offices. They grow slowly but stay healthy with almost no effort. If you're someone who forgets to water plants or travels often, this is the perfect starter plant because it remains strong and beautiful with minimal care. Pothos is one of the fastest growing and easiest indoor plants you can own. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves create a lush tropical look that instantly brightens shelves, desks, and hanging baskets. Pothos can survive in low-light conditions, but it grows even faster in bright indirect sunlight. This plant is if you forget to water it occasionally, making it ideal for beginners with busy schedules. Water only when the top layer of soil feels dry. One amazing thing about pothos is how easy it is to propagate. Simply cut a vine and place it in water and new roots will start growing within days. It's like getting unlimited free plants from one plant. Pothos also adapts well to different indoor environments and stays attractive year-round. If you want a low-maintenance plant that grows quickly and looks stunning, pothos is a fantastic choice. Number 3. ZZ plant. ZZ plant is famous for being nearly indestructible. This plant has thick, glossy leaves that always look healthy and polished, even if you barely pay attention to it. ZZ plants tolerate low light extremely well and can survive long periods without water because their roots store moisture underground. That means you only need to water them every few weeks. They are perfect for offices, apartments, and darker rooms where many other plants struggle to survive. ZZ plants also grow slowly, so they stay compact and manageable indoors. Another reason beginners love this plant is because it rarely develops problems or pests. As long as you avoid overwatering, it will continue thriving with almost no maintenance. The elegant dark green leaves add a modern and luxurious feel to your home decor. If you want a plant that practically takes care of itself, the ZZ plant is an excellent option. Number 4. Spider plant. Spider plant is a classic beginner-friendly plant loved for its long striped leaves and easy care routine. This plant adapts well to different lighting conditions and grows quickly without needing constant attention. Spider plants are especially fun because they produce baby plants called spiderettes that hang down from long stems. You can cut these babies off and grow brand new plants for free. Water the plant when the top inch of soil becomes dry, and it will stay healthy and vibrant. Spider plants also help improve indoor air quality and look beautiful in hanging baskets or shelves. Even if you accidentally forget to water them occasionally, they usually recover quickly. Their fast growth gives beginners confidence because you can easily see progress and new leaves forming. If you want a cheerful, low-maintenance plant that multiplies easily, the spider plant is a perfect choice for your indoor garden. Number 5. Peace lily. Peace lily is one of the most elegant indoor plants beginners can grow. Its dark green leaves and stunning white flowers add a peaceful and luxurious feel to any room. One of the best things about peace lilies is that they tell you when they need water. The leaves droop slightly when thirsty, and after watering, the plant quickly stands back up again. This makes it easy for beginners to understand its needs. Peace lilies prefer indirect light and moderate watering, making them ideal for indoor environments. They also help purify indoor air, which is another reason people love keeping them in bedrooms and living spaces. While they look delicate and fancy, peace lilies are surprisingly resilient and easy to care for. Just avoid placing them in direct sunlight because it can burn the leaves. With simple care, this beautiful plant can stay healthy and bloom regularly indoors. Number 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is both beautiful and useful, making it one of the best plants for beginners. Its thick green leaves store water, allowing the plant to survive long periods without watering. Aloe vera thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and loves dry conditions, so it's perfect for sunny windowsills. Water deeply, but only when the soil is completely dry. Besides being low maintenance, aloe vera contains soothing gel inside its leaves that many people use for minor burns and skin irritation. This gives the plant both decorative and practical value. Aloe grows slowly and stays compact, making it ideal for small apartments and desks. The modern spiky shape also fits perfectly with minimalist home decor styles. Beginners appreciate how forgiving aloe vera can be, especially when compared to more delicate houseplants. As long as you avoid overwatering, this hardy succulent will remain healthy and attractive for years. Number 7. Jade plant. Jade plant is a charming succulent that looks like a miniature tree. Its thick round leaves store water, allowing it to survive with very little maintenance. Jade plants prefer bright, indirect sunlight and only need watering when the soil becomes completely dry. This makes them ideal for beginners who may forget regular watering schedules. Over time, jade plants develop thick stems and a tree-like appearance that adds character to any room. Many people also consider jade plants symbols of luck and prosperity. They grow slowly, so they stay manageable indoors and don't require frequent repotting. Their glossy green leaves can even develop reddish edges when exposed to enough sunlight, making them even more beautiful. Jade plants are long-living and can remain healthy for decades with proper care. If you want a durable and decorative plant that's easy to grow, the jade plant is a fantastic beginner-friendly option. Number 8. Rubber plant. Rubber plant is a bold and stylish indoor plant known for its large, glossy leaves. It instantly adds a modern, tropical look to homes and offices without requiring complicated care. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect sunlight, but they can also adapt to medium light conditions. Water them only when the top layer of soil feels dry. Their thick leaves help store moisture, allowing them to handle occasional neglect. Beginners love rubber plants because they are resilient and continue growing steadily with minimal attention. As they mature, they can become beautiful indoor trees that make stunning statement pieces in living rooms. Wiping the leaves occasionally keeps them shiny and healthy while helping the plant absorb more light. Rubber plants are also less demanding compared to many other indoor trees, making them a perfect choice for first-time plant owners. With basic care, this plant can grow large, healthy, and incredibly beautiful indoors. Number 9. Cast iron plant. Cast iron plant earns its name because it is incredibly tough and durable. This plant can tolerate low light, inconsistent watering, and even poor indoor conditions that would damage most other plants. Its dark green leaves remain attractive year-round with almost no maintenance required. Cast iron plants are perfect for apartments, offices, and dark corners where sunlight is limited. Water only occasionally and avoid direct sunlight, which can damage the leaves. One reason beginners love this plant is because it grows slowly and rarely develops problems. It stays healthy and dependable even if you sometimes forget about it. The elegant leaves create a calm, natural look that works well with modern or traditional home decor. If you struggle to keep plants alive, this is one of the safest options you can choose. The cast iron plant truly lives up to its reputation as one of the easiest indoor plants in the world. Number 10. Air plants. Air plant are some of the most unique and fascinating low-maintenance plants you can grow indoors. Unlike traditional houseplants, air plants don't need soil at all. They absorb moisture and nutrients directly through their leaves, allowing them to grow in creative displays like glass terrariums, seashells, or hanging decorations. To care for them, simply soak the plants in water for about 20 minutes once a week and let them dry completely afterward. They prefer bright, indirect light and good airflow. Air plants are perfect for people with limited space because they can fit almost anywhere in your home. Their unusual appearance makes them fun conversation starters and stylish decor pieces. Beginners love them because they are simple to maintain and don't create mess from soil or fallen leaves. If you want a modern and easy care plant that looks completely different from ordinary houseplants, air plants are an amazing choice. So there you have it, 10 amazing low-maintenance plants that are perfect for beginners. You don't need gardening experience, expensive tools, or a perfect watering schedule to enjoy beautiful indoor greenery. These plants can survive busy lifestyles, occasional neglect, and beginner mistakes while still making your home feel fresh, relaxing, and alive. Whether you choose the nearly indestructible snake plant, the fast-growing pothos, or the unique air plant, each one brings natural beauty into your space with very little effort. Start with just one plant, and you might be surprised how quickly your indoor garden grows. Which of these plants is your favorite, and which one would you bring home first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy plant care tips, indoor gardening ideas, and beautiful plant inspiration every week.